back with a 17-month Loc update. You guys, I'm a little late, and by a little, I mean I'm like 2 weeks or so late because I was supposed to do this September 17th and today is October 3rd. So I'm very late, and obviously I am in a new little section here. This is still the very same area, but I did some things. I took me some nice birthday pictures, and it's a beautiful, lovely chair that I got from the Goodwill. First of all, y'all, this brand is worth like thousands of dollars, and I got this chair for what was supposed to be $25. I got it for $13. $13, okay? And when I tell y'all, I took so many hours, hard sweating hours to clean this chair because I'm like, okay, I'm sure an old person had this bad boy. Let's be realistic. I don't know what they was doing in it. So I'm a germaphobe. I'm a germaphobe, so I had to make sure before I put this thing in my house and put my ass in this seat, I had to make sure it was clean. So I wanted to take like some really nice monotone pictures for my birthday. You know, we got creative. So I'll probably insert the pictures just so you guys can see because, you know, it's still Libra season. Still Libra season. So yeah, let me insert these pics so y'all can see how your girl's snapping for her birthday. Yeah, that's me. Self-portraits, okay? So anyway, you guys, let me go ahead and show you guys what's going on with my locks. So the only thing that I do not like about my hair is, I did it myself, but the only thing I don't like is how I neglected to get like these hairs up here. But other than that, I did a really good job, you guys. Yes, I did have to go back and fix it, but still, this is the best color job I have ever done. Let me show y'all. They've been calling me Poison Ivy. So they've been calling your girl. I don't even know what the hell Poison Ivy looked like, but I've been going with it, all right? I've been getting Ariel and Poison Ivy. So, yeah, these are the guys. They look so good. Let me give y'all a little turn. We're all the way locked, of course. It's been all the way locked, of course, but just in case there was any confusion, baby. My locks still have so much personality because I don't palm roll all the way down. So, you know, I still got my little thick, extra thick sections, and I love that. That's fine with me. I honestly don't remember when they locked all the way. I have to go back and see if I can figure it out. But this is supposed to be ginger, y'all. The color that I used was Adore Sunset Orange. This obviously don't look like ginger. So my plan was, I was like, okay, I've never done ginger before. Let me go ginger before I go red because I was like, I know red is my favorite. So I was like, I know the red season is coming. So I was like, before I go there, let me go here. And it's looking like ginger season. It didn't happen. We skipped right on the red somehow. So this is Adore, which is semi-permanent. So of course, every time I wash, it is going to get lighter. But I just don't know how ginger this is ever going to get at this point. It looks like it's just going to be red. So you can see, of course, some ginger here. That's about it. So the other thing that I want to tell y'all is, so for my birthday, what I did, you guys, was I actually hosted a Loc Meet Up with some of the ladies here in Atlanta for my birthday, and it was absolutely amazing. So I did dinner and drinks, and we went to a nice vegan restaurant called HERBN. It's like a kind of like an upscale place. It was delicious. Yes, the portions were a little small, but it was delicious. It was a very nice ambiance, you know. It was great. And then after, we went to Bar Vegan, which is like kind of like a lounge for the drinks and everything. And it was a time as well, you guys. I had so much fun. And I just really wanted to make sure that I included that in here because for all of the ladies to not know each other, there was about, I think, a total of like 7, 8, 9 of us between both locations. So for people to not know each other, even me, I didn't know any of these women except for one of them that I had met earlier in the day, the same day. So, you know, For us to not know each other and for us to have clicked as well as we did, it was an amazing experience. It was so beautiful and they really made me feel so great for my birthday. So what I want to do is I want to start doing kind of like a monthly thing where we do like Loc meetups for, you know, the Loc women. Maybe we'll even start letting the Loc men come to the meetups eventually, but for now it's just women. And yeah, I'm gonna start doing that maybe like once a month. But it was a blast, you guys. Cheers to the connections, okay? Cheers to the Loc community. I told you it's a beautiful place. It's a beautiful place to be. Thank you so much for watching. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this little thick Loc update, close up, and this life update, and I will see you guys for the next video. Thank you so much for watching.